welcome back to part 3 of a 4-part series on the use of clickview. In this clickview screencast I'm going to show you how you can save out a segment of the clickview library and convert it into a Windows video file and then use it in presentation software like a PowerPoint. Alright, so let's have a look at one here. We've got a video we've selected here, Senior Science. I've got one up on measuring up and research methods. Now, not every video or every part of the chapter can be selected. You'll notice that if I was to right click on the actual video, I've got nothing that will say generate a PowerPoint video. So you can't do it on the full video. However, if I jump down to, say, the section on the third chapter, standardizing testing on measuring up, if I right click on it, you'll see it says publish to PowerPoint or intranet. So not all of the videos will enable you to do this, and you can't do this a full video, you can only do chapter by chapter. So let's actually say we want to capture this bit. It's only like a minute and a half. I'm going to go publish. This will take a little bit of time. So it basically has to convert the clickview file into another format and convert it into a Windows video file, so WMV file. So it does take a little bit of time to do it, and so if you're wanting to do that with several chapters, you would need to do this several times over. You will also notice once we get the video over, we can actually record what part of it we want. So you can actually make and clip the video. So as soon as it's basically loaded it, it will start to convert it after I select what parts of the video I want. So you can now select the beginning or the end or whatever, you can cut it and that will then be saved. So it's just saving out the chapter. It will now open a separate window in a minute and you will see quite a different screen. I'm just going to reduce the audio. Now you'll see is that this goes for 142.36 seconds. What I can do is I can drag these handles to capture either the whole lot. So if I want the whole lot there, I could just click OK. It will capture the whole lot because these two orange arrows are saying the starting and ending point of the video. So I could be getting that. It doesn't really make any difference if you look at the quality. I always select on the PowerPoint, doesn't make much difference at all of that. So to make this a bit quicker, I'm just going to basically pull in the end and say end it at a particular segment, and that's going to run for say 50 seconds. I'll say okay, end it there, that's fine. I can go back and play what I've got. I'm just going to go OK now, and you'll notice it is now going to say, well, where do you want to store it? Let's pop him on the desktop. It's giving you a name, it's showing you it's producing it as a WMV, and it's going to save. And now you'll notice this takes a little bit of time because it needs to convert the format. So this is why it takes a little bit of time to change it into a WMV file, because remember with clickview they're not in a WMV file, they're in a quite a unique video form. So you can see that didn't take too long at all. Let's open it up and see if it runs. We did save it to the desktop. Here it is up here. Let's click on it. This has only got my 50-second segment.
Where systems of knowledge have developed.
So you can see that's worked. So now you could get this video and you can pop him quite nicely into a PowerPoint or some other software program that will handle a WMV file. You could even put this on the your virtual classroom page. I don't think there's a problem with the copyright with this because this is all part of the program. It says you'll enable you to do this. So if there was a problem with the copyright there, you would find there that that would not work.